Hi, Steph.
Hi Nathan, how are you?
I'm doing all right. How have you been doing?
Good. Looking forward to being able to see people in person again.
The
Hopefully,
practice of law has definitely been a challenge.
it has been. So, how are things going for your clients?
Things are going all right. We are able to conduct conferences via the phone, as we always have, but we've been using this feature of Zoom that's worked so well for you and I.
What about your estate planning clients? What are you doing for them?
That has been a little bit of a challenge, but things have been going great. We've been conducting our regular consultations via phone, sometimes via video conference. Some folks have it right on their cell phone that they can chat with me. We gather a lot of the necessary information in the regular way. We have a questionnaire that we get on to our clients. They finish that up, get that back to us, and sometimes we're able to have an additional consult or begin the drafting of materials. We oftentimes like to get folks the draft materials to take a look even before they're ready to be signed. So when we have that conference, we can go through them together and be in a position to have them most up to date as possible.
Are you guys still signing documents, and can you even get a will finalized while this is all going on?
You absolutely can. A lot of folks have been interested in a new service we're offering where we do a contact-free will signing. Sometimes they've stayed in their vehicle. We've kind of conducted the conference through myself and staff in our conference room through the window, and they're almost as if they're at the drive-through at McDonald's. So very similar to takeout food, but instead of taking out food, we're able to get them their paperwork in a contact-free environment, have an opportunity to go through it together, either through the car window, on cell phones, through the conference room window, and we're able to make sure that everything's appropriately witnessed with the right number of folks watching them sign their paperwork. And then they can head home with a folder that has been put together with all their information, with our staff, of course, using the best sanitary and cleaning procedures, wearing gloves, and getting them their paperwork to take back home.
What type of estate planning services are you doing through the drive-through or even through the video conferencing system?
We are offering services as we would as close to normal. So that's wills, trusts, advanced directives. There's been a lot of interest in powers of attorney. Powers of attorney are, of course, documents that plan for incapacity. Someone suffers an injury or an illness that requires them to establish an agent to carry out their decisions and their powers. Has been a real popular item in recent weeks and something we're certainly able to do for folks. Of course, we're still handling other items like deeds, transfer on death designations, other planning. Really depends on the client, and we're able to offer as closely to regular services as we can. How has family law matters been working for you, Steph?
So there's definitely been some procedural changes to accommodate social distancing, but you can still file for divorce. We're still filing motions to modify placement, custody, support, and people can actually still go to mediation virtually. So each county has its own plan, but you can attend by telephone or you can attend by video conferencing. And a lot of counties have alternate ways to attend the parenting class, also known as the mediation orientation session. So it's business as normal as it can be.
So court is still happening?
Yeah, most counties in the Fox Valley and Northeast Wisconsin are holding family court, but we're appearing by phone or video conference. So sometimes those hearings are taking a little bit longer, but the courts have adapted and everyone is making it work the best we can under these circumstances.
That's very interesting. How have clients felt about that so far?
So it's definitely a change in the feel of court. You know, you're used to sitting right next to your attorney. You're able to ask them questions because we're sitting right next to our clients. But it's a change and we're getting used to it. You know, some people aren't comfortable setting up Zoom or one of the other video conferencing systems. It's called Pexit. But our staff knows how to do that. They can help walk them through. So if we have clients who are struggling or just need a quick how-to, our staff is here to help them out.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, and if you don't have the technology to appear by video, all of these systems still have phone numbers that you can call into. So if somebody goes, you know, I don't have the data or the Wi-Fi or I broke my camera, you can still attend by calling in. So that's great. So nobody's left out of the loop when it comes to still going to court.
Yeah, it's been a challenging few weeks. Anything you feel like you miss with working with your clients on family law matters?
I miss seeing my clients in person. You know, they mean a lot to me, and I really miss seeing the team at P&D, you know, as a whole on a regular basis, we have a really great staff where we've got a really great team of attorneys. And, you know, even though we have all these great systems and people can work remotely and pop into the office and our staff can do the same thing, there's something really nice about all being in the same space. So I can't wait to get back to that.
On that, we definitely agree. Well, I hope that you have a great day. Can certainly let other folks know that they are free to give us a call, free to send us an email, drop us a line. We're happy to serve them. And stay safe, Seth.
Thanks. You too, Nathan.
Bye-bye.
Bye.